So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are outdoors because we are going to test some lights and discuss what's their functions. We have this IPF fog lamps. We have this PIAA mini fog lamps. We have this combo lights. It's a knockoff of Baha S2, I think, and we have some ditch lights. So every light has a different task. Well, by the way, why did I thought of doing this? Because I'm trying to upgrade the lighting system of both of my trucks, especially the truck, the Chevy, because it's going to be the primarily off-road vehicle for us, because for the past years it's a hauler slash family slash off-roader. So I wasn't doing it as a 100% off-roader, but now it's gonna be an off-road specific vehicle because we have the Pajero. But the Pajero, I will also put the permanent lighting so that whenever we go camping, we don't have to bring out or install lightings. Well, it's gonna be just side lightings and probably ditch lights. So let's discuss first this. This is a long throw fog lamps. They're specifically to be mounted higher than your headlights, and this is a supplementary light for your high beam. So if you're pointing your high beam on a specific distance, then this should be a little bit further away. Same thing with this, but this is not a long throw. So these are mounted, let's say on top of the bumper, the level of the headlight, or a little bit above of the hood. Like rally cars. So this actually amplifies your high beam. So that's a difference. This adds to the top of the high beam, and this amplifies your high beam. And then you've got your ditch lights. So ditch lights, if it's just same as this that is glaring onto us, they're ditch lights. They don't need to be that strong because it's just for working around your cars or for your campsite. So this is 18 watts. So this is actually for the truck. So it's gonna be mounted a little bit above the fender, pointing downwards. And the good thing about this, it has a amber color, so it can be used as a signal light. And then this is the knockoff of the very famous Baha S2. I was supposed to get a flood pattern, but then I decided to get a combo. So just in case I do need a combo in front, at least I have one. And then the combo, even if it's a combo, it has a little bit of a flood. That's why it has this one, and this is a spot. If you notice that this has patterns as the same as this, because this makes it wider. So this has a very wide beam. So that's the purpose of that. So if I've seen a lot of reviews of lights, and they have been comparing different lights but with different lenses. So let's say it's a little bit unfair to whatever it was being compared, because they're comparing apples over oranges. Anyways, I have mounted this on the Pajero, and I'll show you. It's a temporary mount. I would like to get your opinion if it's nice, because what I wanted about this is it's small. It's not so big, and it has this, a very unique profile. So I'll show it to you. So this is the look that I'm going for. See how small it is. It's not like a sore thumb sticking out. So what do you think, guys? Let me light it up. So significant enough light, very bright. Definitely a lot of light for the size. So without the light, pitch black. Well, not really pitch black, but it's dark with the light. Please don't mind the wires, they're just temporary, just to see how it looks. Might actually move it a little bit here, I think. So let me see on the final mounting. Here I might also put it here. Let's see. So it will be more stealth, if you may say. I did forgot to mention that you can also use this as a ditch light. Ditch lights are the one placed either on the side of your hood, the left side, or on the pillars. But that's for you to see the ditch. So just like here, you cannot see the ditch. Say here. So now you can see the ditch. It's a combo pattern, but I think it's wide enough for the ditch. Hope you like this, guys. Do comment about the side lights, the camp lights. What's your opinion? And let me know if you're interested on those lights. I do also have them in hand. Just PM me. And then again, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.